how to launch Instagram shop. Hello everyone, welcome once again to another tutorial. In this video, you'll be learning how you can launch your Instagram shop. So if this is your question, ensure you watch this video to the end so that you would not miss any important information. First of all, log in into your Instagram account just like I have done here, and then once you're logged in and you can see all of your followers and the posts and all, move to the bottom right corner and click on your profile icon. After clicking on your profile icon, you'll be taken to your profiles page. And so on the profiles page, you would see a number of options. All right. So move to the top right corner and click on the three horizontal lines. This is take you to your settings and activity page. And once you're on this page, the next step is to scroll down until you can see the option for professionals. So under for professionals, the tab for professionals, select account type and tools. And after selecting account type and tools, you'll be taken to the page. Now, for you to be able to launch an Instagram shop, you would have to have a professional account. So just click on switch to professional account, scroll down and click on continue, 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 and then select the kind of brand that you are trying to create. All right, so this is just an example. All right, this is an example. So just go ahead and select, click on done, and then you'll be taken to the next page. Just ensure you carry out all of the procedures that will make you to have a professional account. So are you a business? Are you a creator? Ensure you select business since you're trying to launch a shop, and go ahead. You can input all of this. All right, you can edit your contact info, but if it's okay by you, click on next and you'll be taken to the next page. You can decide to log into your Facebook directly to connect your Facebook. Yeah, you'd have to connect your Facebook. It is more effective that way. Then click on anyone, then you can just skip it. Then you can now go ahead to set up a professional account. Ensure you carry out all of this. They're very simple. And so after setting up your professional account, you'll be brought to your profile and you'll now have a professional account. Now, once you have a professional account, move to the top right corner and click on the three horizontal lines. Now, by clicking on the three horizontal lines, you'll be taken to your settings page. So under for professionals, click on business tools and controls. Now, normally, or when Instagram was launched and the Instagram shop was launched, you would see the option shop here. All right, and then on most occasions you'll be able to add products and all of that to your shop. But as it is now, Instagram has changed that. So what you do is that you'd have to have a shop most on Shopify, and then come to your Instagram, click on link profile to shops, click on it, and then you can now go ahead and link your profile to your shops here. But you cannot directly add products to your shop or have a virtual shop on Instagram. The best thing is to also make use of the highlight options that you can see here. You can display all of your goods here through highlights. And how do you do so? You'd have to create a story first of all. You'd have to post a story first of all. And how do you post a story? Click on the plus icon here. This is one of the ways of posting a story. If you don't want to make use of this method, you can just go to your profile and then click on the plus icon that you can see there. And you'll be taken to the add a story. So you can just decide to, make a post of a story. So after selecting a post, go to the select where you want to post it to, maybe to your story and to your close friends. And after posting the story, go back to your profile, and then on your profiles page, click on the plus icon here, and then you will see the story you've posted here. So select it as an highlight. Now, what you'll be posting as a story would be your product. All right, since you are trying to make use of the highlights as a shop, and then you can just go ahead and click on the story that you posted, click on next, add the highlights, the name of the title of the product and all of that, and it will be displayed. But like I said, the major way is on Instagram now is by linking your profile to the shops that you've created on other shopping sites like Shopify and all of that. So thank you for watching and have a good day.